Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to request a credit line increase with Bluevine. If your business has grown and you need more access to funds, you can request a credit line increase from Bluevine, and here's how to do it. First, log into your Bluevine dashboard. Once you're in, either on the mobile app or the website, just navigate to the credit line section. Now look for the option that's labeled Request Credit Limit Increase. If you don't see it, you can simply reach out to Bluevine support. Update your business and financial details as prompted. Bluevine may ask for recent bank statements, tax returns, or updated profit and loss reports. Verify that your business information, such as the revenue and time in operation, are all accurate and current. Submit your request for review, and Bluevine will run a soft credit check and evaluate your updated financials. If approved, your new credit limits will appear on your account and be available for immediate use. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.